Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be showing you what I won from Mary Catherine Loves Cats. I did win this, I believe it was last month or at the beginning of this month. I got it the day I left for vacation. So it's been a couple weeks since I've had it. I'm very sorry, Mary Catherine, if you're watching, because I know it took me a while to get to this. So let me go ahead and show you what I won from Mary Catherine Loves Cats. If you have not been to her channel, which I'm sure most of you have, you might want to check it out. She does giveaways all the time. Like literally, she's got a giveaway going all the time. So the first thing I received was, these masks here, these facial masks. So this one is, I don't know how to pronounce this up here, but it is a Real Squeeze mask. My Real Squeeze mask. That's what it says. Here's another one. This one looks like it's might be honey. Nice. And then I got these these are gold eye masks. I do use eye masks a lot. I use them more than I use face masks. I really like them a lot. Here's an Energy Essence mask. This says it's black. Nope, it does not say black anywhere. It says lilac, neem, raspberry, and Korean melon. That's what this one says on it. By the Creme Shop. Creme Shop? Is it Creme Shop? I've heard people say it different ways. You had better not be chewing on the couch, little one. Okay, and then I got another one, a Super Beauty mask, Green Apple by Honey Jarrett. I believe is the name Honey Jarrett. I think that's the name brand, but I'm not really sure. Okay, so those I received, and then there's something else in here as well. Oh, a card. Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Should have started with the card, huh? Let's see. The card says peace. Very nice. It's a very pretty card. It says, Dear Kelly, congratulations on your win. I hope you enjoy the items. Just a small giveaway. Glasses. I included some sheet masks and my favorite eye masks as friend mail. Enjoy it and thank you for your support and friendship. It means so much to me. Love, Mary. And Mary, your friendship and support means a lot to me as well. I've really appreciate it. All right, so let me see what else I got in here. Okay. This is a Petty in a box. Right here. A Petty in a box. I want to see, okay. Let me open this up. Here it is right here. Let me see this. What is that? Okay, this is a sea salt soak. Right here. I keep using this hand and going like this. I always do that. I don't know why. Maybe I should do this. This is a sugar scrub. This is a mud mask. And this is a massage butter. So, and a sea salt soak. Did I say that one already? I think so. Anyway. So it does say 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there's 4 steps to this. This is going to be like heaven. Heaven, heaven, heaven. I can't wait to use this. I need something for my feet. And then here are the Dashing Diva. They are the stickers. The nail stickers. She always has some kind of giveaway going on for the nail stickers or the press-on nails by Dashing Diva. I believe she's not a spokesperson for Dashing Diva. That's the word that's coming to mind, but that's not what she is. She does collaborations, I guess is the word, for Dashing Diva. So if you do, if you are interested in Dashing Diva, please go to Mary Catherine Loves Cats and look in her description box and use her link if you're interested in getting some nail strips or the stick-on nails. I believe she does get a little something if you use her link. So I'm looking forward to using these. Thank you so much, Mary Catherine. I can't wait to use these. These are so pretty. I love the blue. Just love them. So that is what I received from Mary Catherine Loves Cats. I just want to say thank you so much. This was a great, great giveaway to win. I apologize it took me so long to get this posted. And everyone, please leave a comment down below if you can. Brooklyn wants to say something. What do you want to say, Brooke? Oh, is that all? All right. So everyone, just have a great day and subscribe to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, check out Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Give this video a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And I think I already said comment down below. Bye, everyone.